Showing you a beautiful house for sale, furnished. Very nice area. See, walang power line sa harap ng bahay. So you have one car park and then pwede naman mag street parking. So ito yung entrance. Meron na siyang fake grass, which is neat. Tsaka easy maintenance lang siya. Parking dito. And then ito yung living area. Ang lawak ng living area. And it's well lit. Yan, may mga gamit na move in ka na lang talaga. So from here, meron dito dining. Okay. Tapos, pwede dito ma-open for a patio. Pwede lagyan dyan ng table and chairs. So, this is the area. On ko muna yung mga lights. Okay. Everything you see here is included in the sale. So, dito, yan. May parang bar area. Here is the kitchen. May small island siya. And some cabinet. Okay. May lutuan na. And maganda siya. May range hood na rin. Naka-customize na rin ang kanyang kitchen cabinets. Ang ganda ng ceiling. Okay, polywood yung kanyang design. May 2-door ref na siya. And then there's a bathroom here. Okay. For the guest. Tapos may bedroom dito. Pwedeng guest room. Pwedeng kids room. Then, let's see here. Meron na rin siyang bathroom with shower. Here. Okay. Aircon na lang kulang. Ito yung sa ground floor na area. And then, pupunta tayo sa second floor. So, from this angle, ito yung view. Yan. Patay sa taas. This wood. Tapos ito naman, bakal. So, high ceiling. Ang second floor alone is high ceiling. There are 4 bedrooms. Ito is bedroom 1. Okay. Tapos meron silang shared na bathroom. Very spacious naman yung bathroom. And this is the second room. Walk through tayo. Ito yung third room na may balcony. Ito yung lights. Ang lawak ng kanyang balcony. Pero shared siya ng balcony dun sa master bedroom. So, lahat ng rooms is meron ng mga cabinet. Meron pa dito ang small cabinet. Yan. These are not, wallpaper. Paint talaga siya. Decorate. Ito ang master bedroom. Okay. So, yung balcony, connecting dun sa isang room. Very spacious ang master bedroom with a king-size bed. So, may closet na rin. This is the bathroom. Ang ganda ng bathroom. So, lahat ceramic yung tiles. Ito naman, pwede naman siyang ilipat dito if you want na dito yung TV nyo. like this. Pero pwede mo rin siyang i-rearrange na dito yung headboard mo. Ang ganda ng kanyang cove lighting. Okay, yan ang hallway. So, yan ang master bedroom. Maganda siya. Please get in touch with us. My name is Diana Laruga from Patrimonio Realty. Total of 5 bedrooms. The lot area is 150. Okay. That ends our video for today. From the kitchen, this is the back of the house. Pwede dito mag-laundry. Ayan. Ikot tayo. It's very airy. Ito yung pwedeng gawing patio dito. So, one big car. That's the entrance.